Did you know that there are genuine Land Rover key fob remotes? And then there are knockoff fobs? Have you ever heard of the term OEM? Why does OEM matter? In this video, we'll tell you why. Buckle up. Aftermarket replacement parts are widely available online, but they provide less value than OEM parts. Aftermarket parts lack quality. They often use cheap imported components. They are less durable and more likely to get damaged or broken. OEM fobs are guaranteed to work with your Land Rover. They last longer and they're higher quality. So how can you get a genuine OEM key fob without paying retail price? Buy a used, previously loved fob. At Keyless Entry Remote Incorporated, we sell OEM refurbished fobs. We have developed innovative processes that allow us to bring previously loved remotes back to life. We have great positive reviews and maintain an excellent Better Business Bureau rating. With over 1 million OEM key fobs sold, don't just take our word for it. Keyless Entry Remote Incorporated guarantees your satisfaction. We are the key fob remote experts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That way, next time you need a new key fob, you'll know where to go. Keyless Entry Remote Incorporated, we're here for you.